Welcome to section 3 of the class, which is the start of part 1. Remember, this class is broken up into two major parts. In each part, you're going to build a complete application, and in part 1, you're going to build out the indecision application. It's going to require us to learn the fundamentals of React so we can actually get our application up and running in the browser. Now, I'm going to put two URLs on the screen. The first is where you can go to view the final version of the application, what we're going to end up building. The second URL is where you can go to grab the final source code for the app. Now remember, for each and every lecture where we write code, there is a lecture zip available on Udemy. This contains the code for the project up to that point in the class. That can be really useful if your application is broken. You can download the lecture zip and compare your code with mine. Now let's take a quick moment to break down that indecision application so we know what we're getting ourselves into. At its core, the indecision app is essentially a list of options. It could be a list of restaurants you want to try, vacation spots you want to go to, or businesses you want to start. You populate the list with all of the options, you click that big purple button up top, and it decides what you're going to end up doing. It randomly picks an item and shows it to you. Now, obviously, this app doesn't contain all of the cutting-edge features that our final application is going to have, and that's intentional. This is our starter app. The goal here is to get our feet wet with the fundamentals of React so we can build on that base as we go and move on to more advanced topics. Now, in this section specifically, the focus is going to be on JSX, which stands for JavaScript XML. This is the templating syntax that React provides, which makes it really easy to build out the structure of our application. Everything we render to the screen is going to be written in JSX, so let's dive right into the section and see what it's all about.